Ever felt like you're juggling a million things at once, and payroll is just the flaming baton you're about to drop? You're not alone. We've all been there. You're trying to keep your books straight, manage your finances, and oh yeah, make sure your team gets paid correctly and on time. And in the midst of this chaos, a question pops up. Does QuickBooks do payroll? It's a simple question, right? But the answer, like most things in the business world, isn't always a straightforward yes or no. It's more of a yes, but situation, and that but can be a real game changer. Think about it. You're already using QuickBooks to manage your invoicing, track expenses, and get a handle on your overall financial picture. It makes sense to wonder if it can also take care of payroll. Imagine all your financial data seamlessly integrated. No more jumping between different platforms. No more manual data entry errors. That's the dream, isn't it? But here's the reality. While QuickBooks does offer payroll solutions, it's not a one-size-fits-all situation. It depends on your business, your needs, and frankly, how much you're willing to pay. Let's rewind a bit. QuickBooks, in its core form, is a powerful accounting software. It's designed to help you manage your finances, track your income and expenses, and generate reports. It's the backbone of many small and medium-sized businesses. But payroll? That's a whole different beast. Payroll involves calculating wages, withholding taxes, filing forms, and ensuring compliance with ever-changing regulations. It's a complex process that requires precision and attention to detail. One wrong move, and you could face penalties, fines, and unhappy employees. So, how does QuickBooks fit into this picture? Well, they offer several payroll options, each with its own set of features and capabilities. First, you have QuickBooks Online Payroll Core. This is the basic option, designed for smaller businesses with simple payroll needs. It allows you to run payroll, calculate taxes, and file forms. It's a good starting point if you're just dipping your toes into the world of payroll automation. But what if you need more? What if you have employees in multiple states, or you need to track time and attendance, or you want access to HR support? That's where QuickBooks Online Payroll Premium and Elite come in. QuickBooks Online Payroll Premium adds features like time tracking, workers' comp administration, and expert setup. It's a step up from Core, offering more advanced tools for growing businesses. And then there's QuickBooks Online Payroll Elite, the top-tier option. This is for businesses that need the most comprehensive payroll solution. It includes everything in Premium, plus features like project tracking, same-day direct deposit, and personalized HR support. It's designed for businesses that want to streamline their payroll and HR processes. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it worth it? That's a valid question. The cost of QuickBooks Payroll varies depending on the plan you choose and the number of employees you have. It's an added expense, and you need to weigh the benefits against the cost. But consider this: how much is your time worth? How much does it cost you to manually calculate payroll, file forms, and deal with errors? How much does it cost you in stress and frustration? Automating your payroll can save you time, reduce errors, and give you peace of mind. It allows you to focus on what you do best, running your business. And let's not forget about compliance. Payroll regulations are constantly changing, and it's your responsibility to stay up to date. Failure to comply can result in hefty penalties. QuickBooks Payroll helps you stay compliant by automatically calculating taxes and filing forms. But here's the catch: QuickBooks Payroll isn't perfect. Like any software, it has its limitations. It can be complex to set up and use, especially if you're not familiar with payroll processes. And while it offers customer support, it might not always be as responsive as you'd like. So what's the bottom line? Does QuickBooks do payroll? Yes, it does. But it's not a simple yes. It's a yes with options, considerations, and potential trade-offs. Before you decide whether QuickBooks Payroll is right for you, you need to assess your needs. Ask yourself, how many employees do I have? Do I need to track time and attendance? Do I need HR support? How much am I willing to spend? Am I comfortable with the learning curve? Once you have a clear understanding of your needs, you can choose the QuickBooks Payroll plan that's right for you. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are resources available to help you navigate the world of payroll. QuickBooks offers online tutorials, customer support, and a community forum where you can connect with other users. You can also consider consulting with a payroll professional. They can help you set up your payroll system, ensure compliance, and answer any questions you may have. Additionally, always remember that QuickBooks Payroll, while powerful, is only a tool. It's up to you to use it effectively. You need to understand the basics of payroll, stay up to date on regulations, and ensure that your data is accurate. Consider the alternatives as well. There are many standalone payroll services available, each with its own set of features and pricing. Some offer more flexibility, while others offer more robust features. It's worth exploring your options to find the best fit for your business. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use QuickBooks Payroll depends on your individual circumstances. There's no right or wrong answer. It's about finding the solution that works best for you. Think of it this way. Automating your payroll is like hiring a reliable assistant. It frees up your time, reduces your stress, and allows you to focus on growing your business. It's an investment in your future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.